All in one. Now that's a big claim when it comes to kitchen appliances. But here's one that fully justifies the claim. An air fryer that will also replace a benchtop oven. It air fries, grills, bakes, roasts, dehydrates, offers multi-layer cooking, and even has a rotisserie. Introducing the all-in-one FW5018 Easy Fry Oven and Grill, the 9-in-1 air fryer from Tefal. Healthy family cooking has never been easier. Now you can enjoy 9 different cooking functions in one versatile appliance. They can cook 3 meals at once. Its clever design and included accessories make cooking a pleasure and mealtimes more memorable. Whether your choice is chook, pizza, steak, fries, nuggets, squid, or even muffins. Countertop ovens have always been considered more energy efficient than wall-mounted ovens. However, they are often lacking in functionality and are often too small to replace the traditional oven. That is why Tefal brings you an air fryer that comes with all the pros and none of the cons. It's extremely energy efficient as no preheating is required. It has a huge 11-litre capacity and can cook on multiple layers. Thanks to the included accessories, you can cook your fries, nuggets and vegetables all at once for a healthy meal that's ready in no time. There's a drip tray, deep basket, 2 shallow baskets, a reversible grill for crispy pizza or perfectly seared steak, and a removable handle for convenience and safety. And there's even a built-in rotisserie with all the accompanying accessories you'll need to expertly roast a chook of up to 1.2 kilos. Insert the skewer and spit forks, press a single button and relax as the rotating chicken is roasted to perfection, while the juices are collected in a drip tray for easy cleaning or for inclusion in a tasty gravy. It's easy to use with a large, clear touchscreen that offers 9 cooking functions plus manual operation from 45 degrees all the way up to 200 degrees. Preset programs of fries, chicken, meat, fish, pizza, cake, dehydrate, grill, and of course, rotisserie. 9 functions that make this fryer a true all-in-one. As an air fryer, it uses Tefal's extra crisp technology that perfectly combines heat and air movement for golden, crispy, delicious results. As mentioned, there's no preheating necessary, except when you're after a tender steak that is seared and roasted to perfection. The grill plate accessory is made from die-cast aluminium, known for its excellent heat retention. Preheat this grill plate at 200 degrees for 15 minutes, then drop in your seasoned steak and listen to the sizzle as the ridged grill plate caramelizes as it sears your cut of meat. Then complete the cooking by air frying it for 3 minutes on each side for perfect medium rare steak. The best part is you get a smokeless grilling experience as the smoke is reduced and it's contained inside the appliance. So indoor grilling is now available for midweek dinners or when the weather ruins your outside barbecue. And you can reverse the grill and follow the same preheating instructions to heat the plate for a crispy pizza base, then complete the program using the air fryer to cook a crispy, cheese-bubbling, delicious pizza. The cooking is efficient due to our clever design that forces hot air to circulate the oven, cooking your meal evenly and completely. Now, some air fryers and benchtop ovens have an exhaust under the appliance, which may damage your benchtop and which doesn't encourage even cooking. Our design, with the exhaust at the back, eliminates both these issues for total peace of mind. Another advantage this air fryer has over others is the handy internal light. This allows you to check the progress of your meal while it's cooking. No longer is it necessary to stop the cooking and remove the basket to check on the meal. I particularly love this feature when using the rotisserie. At Tefal, our mission is to make your customers' home lives more enjoyable and their chores less tedious. This air fryer does just that, but not only while you're cooking. All the drip trays, baskets, skewers, grill plates, and even the removable door are dishwasher safe, so cleaning up is a breeze. So if you were putting off buying an air fryer until a better one came along, your wait is over. Tefal's Easy Fry Oven and Grill Air Fryer can cook it all on multiple layers. It has a rotisserie, a grill, multiple included accessories, and it's easy to clean. The FW5018 Easy Fry Oven and Grill. All-in-one convenience from Tefal.